Japanese chashu is a topping for ramen. The pork belly is rolled up and then braised until it is succulent and instantly melt inside your mouth. Japanese chashu is my favorite topping for ramen, but whenever we go out and eat, they only give you like 1 or 2 slices. It's never enough for me. So today we're gonna make it at home and we can eat as many slices as we want. So first here we're gonna roll up the pork belly tightly until it becomes a cylinder and with the skin on the outside. To make an aluminum foil droplet, cut a sheet of aluminum foil that covers the sides of your pot. Fold the edges up into a circle. Use a chopstick to poke like 5 holes in the center like this. Well, it's okay if it tears up a little bit. So now in a pot we're going to add water, soy sauce, marine, sake, sugar, and bring to a boil. Then add leek, ginger, and garlic. Also transfer in the pork belly. Bring to a boil. Cover with the aluminum foil droplet. This will prevent evaporation and helps the heat to go everywhere evenly. Cover the lid and cook on low heat for about 2 hours. We're gonna turn the pork belly every 20 minutes. Then after 2 hours, we're gonna turn off the heat and wait until it is completely cooled down. You can also just put the pork belly in the pot and then put it in the fridge, and by the next day it will have a deeper taste. So then right here we're just gonna cut the twine. You can of course cut the chashu however big you like. If you chill them in the fridge, you can cut them into super thin slices. But in my case, I just like them really big pieces. And then you can serve on top of ramen, on top of rice, or you can simply just enjoy it this way. It's awesome. Oh my god, this looks so heavenly. Between Japanese chashu and Chinese chashu, which one do you like better? Comment below and let me know. And if you're interested in the Chinese chashu recipe, you can check out my website or visit right here. Okay, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you again soon. Bye!